Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you find the spell checker option on the office.com website when you're creating an Excel file. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your um, Excel file. After that, you should tap on this review button at the top of the screen below the search bar. Go to the left side and tap on spelling. And here you can see that the spelling is spell checker has been completed. You are good to go as it says. So there are no words that need to be corrected according to the spell checker. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.